Hello my lovely English learners and welcome to English with Jane. In today's video we're going to look at self-introduction, how to present yourself. Perfect for in a class, when in a job interview or meeting new people for the first time. This video will help you introduce yourself with confidence. Even if it seems simple, good self-introduction is key to how other people perceive you. As an English learner, this can feel difficult, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to present yourself naturally and confidently. So let's begin with greeting people. Depending on the setting, you'll want to choose between formal or more informal greetings. Formal greetings include things like hello, nice to meet you, hello, how are you, pleased to meet you, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, but note that good night means goodbye and it is not a greeting. More informal greetings include hi, hey, what's up, how's it going? And if you speak to an Australian, you might hear g'day, which is a casual greeting suitable for any time of day. In the UK though, good day sounds very old-fashioned and nobody really says it anymore. Next up, introducing your name. Here are a few variations. I'm Jane. My name is Jane. And this is Jane on the phone. Next, talking about where you come from. Where you're from or where you live at the moment. So, I'm from Southampton. I'm British. I'm English. I live in France. I was born in Spain, but currently live in the US. I grew up in Canada, but now I live in Berlin. I've been living in Paris for 10 years. Mix it up depending on your situation. These introductions can make you sound much more interesting. Next, you'll want to mention your work or your studies. If you're working, you can say, I work at Microsoft, or I work for a fashion company. You could say, I'm a manager at Starbucks, or I work in marketing, finance, tech. If you're studying, you could say, I'm about to graduate, I'm a business graduate, I have a BA in psychology, or I'm currently taking a course in web development. You would say a course in for theoretical subjects and a course on for more practical subjects. Next, you'll want to share the experience that you have. So you could say, I have 5 years experience in finance, or I've worked in the medical field for over a decade, or I spent 3 years working in customer service. Tailor this depending on who you're speaking to, if it's a teacher, a colleague, or an employer. In more casual situations, you might want to mention your family. You could say things like, I'm from a family of 5. We are a family of 4. I'm one of 3 siblings. I'm an only child. Don't say, we are 5 in our family. That's a common mistake I hear. Next up, you'll want to mention some of your interests or hobbies. This is where you get to show a bit of your personality. You could say things like, I enjoy hiking and photography, or I'm a huge fan of Formula 1. You could say, I'm a keen runner or a keen cook, or I really enjoy playing the guitar. Try to talk about hobbies that invite conversation. Age. You don't need to mention it, but if you want to, then you say, I am 25. I wish. Or you could be more general and say, I am in my 30s, or I'm in my early 40s. Sometimes, depending on the situation, you might be asked for a fun fact about yourself. It really helps to have something ready if this question comes up. Some ideas may include a weird fear, a unique talent, an unusual achievement, or a cute pet story. Here's mine. I'm super sensitive to ASMR. If you whisper to me, I become really, really relaxed. So now let's pull it all together. So here's the first simple version. Good morning, my name is Jane. I'm from Southampton. I work as an English teacher and I have a BA in European Studies and French. I really enjoy painting in my free time. It's clear but a bit choppy. Let's smooth it out. Good morning, my name's Jane. I'm in my 40s and I'm a French and Politics graduate from Southampton. I now work as an English teacher and in my free time I really enjoy painting. It sounds a bit more natural, a bit more fluid. And now it's your turn. Write your self-introduction in the comments. And don't forget to include a fun fact about yourself. Let's help each other out with lots of ideas for self-introductions. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you may enjoy watching this video next, which is about different ways to respond when someone says thank you. Remember, you can learn English from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.